Yeah, dude, I am geeking out. This just showed up. Love this. You'll never guess what this is. Never guess. Yeah, this is gonna be amazing. I don't know if you can tell. Look at this. See this? See it? See it? What is it? It's a custom box. I'm not even lying. It's a custom box. Why? Because inside this custom box is a custom cutting board. Special, handmade by LMC Board Co. down in Southern California. LMC Board Co. Luke and Molly Caldwell. This thing is, I've seen his work on Instagram. I'll post a link to it down in the comments. His work is freaking amazing. And what's even better, we're family. This is gonna be freaking awesome. I'm geeking out. I can't wait to get in on this thing. Fine work on this custom box though. Okay, I feel like we're getting close. The excitement is almost unbearable. Okay. Oh my gosh. Oh. Whoa. Oh yeah. Oh, wow. And this is the underside. It's badass. God dang, this thing is freaking heavy. Oh. Oh my gosh. Luke. Wow. Man. Be careful with the custom box. Oh, dude, that is freaking brisket size. This is the brisket bed. The Brisket Buster. Man, this is awesome. Dude, deep. That's like a freaking half-inch juice moat. I need like a drawbridge to get over this moat. Dude, this 3D, I'm gonna cut my finger off. Hold on, man, wow. This is amazing. I'm gonna give you guys a close-up. All right, here it is. LMC Board Co. Special, custom crafted, badass, brisket size cutting board. Man, I wish it had the LMC Board Co. logo on it. Maybe on the next one. This thing is awesome. And look how thick this thing is. That thing is a full 2 inches thick. It's got some awesome feet on the bottom of it. Man, look at that. That's amazing. Awesome handles right here. One on that side, one on the other. This thing weighs in at a whopping 19.2 pounds. It comes in at 25 inches long by 19 inches wide. This is the brisket bed, the Brisket Buster, the Brisket Bomber. I don't know, we'll figure that out later. Man, this thing is like an awesome addition to the Culinary Therapy channel, but it's not. It's like the new centerpiece of the channel. Man, we're gonna be cutting up everything on this, or maybe only meat. Wait a minute. This thing is freaking amazing. Look at how big this thing is, man. Ah, this is huge. I can't get over how awesome this thing is, man. Dang, this thing is freaking awesome. Man, we are gonna trim up some meat on this. We're gonna let it rest on this. Man, the juice moat is just gonna run with flavor, and we're gonna dip bread into it. Man, and we're gonna eat it right off the board. Yes. God, I can't wait to do the first real cook with this thing. Man, I am geeking freaking out on this. If you couldn't tell, I'm sorry. This is freaking amazing. This thing is awesome. I mean, just wow. LMC Board Co. The work is fabulous, but this is freaking amazing. Really. Check them out. DM them. The work is, it's everything you see here and more. In real life, this thing is freaking, man, it's amazing. Check them out, LMC Board Co. And don't forget, subscribe to this channel too. Luke's got boards. We got cooking videos. Man, this thing is just, I can't get over it. This thing is freaking huge and awesome.